Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you want to know how can you reset your Facebook password and you have forgotten it. Today in this video, I'll show you how can you do that if you are logged into your account right now, or even if you're not and you want to change your password to gain access to your account again. So let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using your Facebook app, let's go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and let's get something out of the way. Search for Facebook and let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can quit the store. Let's open Facebook, and if you are logged in, of course, tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture to go to the menu. From this menu, tap on the gear icon in the top right again, this time to open settings. From settings, tap on see more in Account Center, of course, to open Account Center, and then tap on password and security right here. Then tap on change password at the very top and choose the Facebook account that you want to change the password of. From here, if you know your password, you can easily do that by following these steps in the top, or if you have forgotten it, of course, tap on forgot your password at the bottom right here. You'll be taken to this page. Choose the method in which you want to receive a code in. You can choose your phone number or your email. I chose my phone number, so tap on continue. You can receive the code now and tap on continue and proceed in changing your password very easily. If you're not logged in, from here tap on forgot password at the bottom of login right here. You'll be taken to this page. Find your account by searching for it by the number associated to it or the email if you want. Once you find it, you can tap on find account, and from there you can receive the code to your email or phone number and reset your password very easily. And that is basically how can you reset your password on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.